This is a super cute bubble letter necklace and a CZ earring set I was sent to you from Spotmart. So let's take a look and try them on. Here is the earring, a great size, super shiny and sparkly. So cute, perfect size. The necklace comes with a 17.7 inch plus 2-inch adjustable chain with an easy to use lobster clasp. So you can get it longer or shorter just depending on what you're wearing. It's cute with a t-shirt. It's cute with a plunging neckline. It's cute to dress up, to wear casual. Gorgeous sparkly earrings, gorgeous sparkly necklace. You can order any letter of the alphabet. They will all be about this size. This is the T, a cute little bubble letter. You've got the sparkly CZs on the front, and the back is gold plated, and the chain as well. I love how the chain goes through the necklace like that, so there's no little loop or anything outside of the letter. It literally goes inside of the letter. I love that. And I also really love this chain, a fun look, not super dainty. It just kind of goes with the whole vibe of being a little bit extra, a little bit flashy, but not over the top. Product page says there's no nickel or lead. I don't have an allergy, so I really can't attest to whether they might or might not. The perfect gift for someone who loves a little bling bling and likes to feel fabulous and sparkly and glamorous. Oh my. I love the look. I love the sparkle and how cute these are, and I know you will too.